How to find the Bitmart wallet address. First of all, what you need to do is open the Bitmart app on your device. Once you open the Bitmart app, make sure that your account is logged in. You will be seeing this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on deposit. Once you see the deposit sign, go ahead and tap on the deposit sign and you will be headed to this page over here where you can select any kind of crypto or token. So go ahead and select it and you can see your wallet address as well as the barcode. So if you want to copy the address, just go ahead and tap on copy. You can also click on save as image and save this image quite easily, or else you can see the share address as well. Go ahead and tap on share address and you can easily share this with your friends or the business. So guys, this is how easy it is to find the Bitmart wallet address. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.